Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for subscribing if you do. So if you haven't watched the haul, I posted yesterday of what I got from Dollar Tree. And when this video is over, go check that out. But this is everything that I bought yesterday that I hung up. The first house tour of the year. Many more to come. Let's start with these lights because they're so freaking cute. They're heart-shaped lights for Valentine's Day. Aren't these cute? And they use AA batteries, I think. 2 AA batteries. So yeah, I'll be doing more house tours as I get more stuff for spring and Easter. And so yeah. Love. XOXO. Kissing booth, 25 cents per kiss. Isn't that cute? Oh my God, I love this. Happy Valentine's Day. Oh my God, these lights are so cute. Happy Valentine's Day. And all this. Ugh, so cute. Let's turn the light on. I light up because of the lights. There we go. Oh my God, how cute are these little gnomes? They're so cute. They're precious. And then I have some Easter stuff here. Easter greetings. So we're putting some Easter stuff already. I want to put more soon. This is St. Patrick's Day. I love this. I got 2 of these you're gonna see. So cute. Okay, let's go over here. Easter. Welcome to our carrot patch. Oh my God, so cute. And then welcome with the eggs. Too cute to function. Let's go to my room. So this blanket, I mean, we have this every year, but it's just so cute. And then I have that little Valentine's Day bear, of course, for Valentine's Day. And then over here I put the other one, the other St. Patrick's Day sign. I'm obsessed with this. I'm definitely gonna be keeping that. And then to finish things off in the bathroom, I have some things. So we have a few things in here. Hello Spring with the carrots. And then this Easter bunny. Happy Easter, the carrot. And then in here for Valentine's Day, I have Love Cotton Candy Champagne Shower Gel. I know, right? So fitting. And yeah, so that's everything so far. I just want to show you what I have so far. Yeah, but we'll be putting more stuff. I think I'm done with Valentine's Day though, because it's in a month and I have this little setup here. I think that's enough for Valentine's Day, but obviously I'm gonna do a lot more for Easter. We have some things in the storage we're gonna put out soon, and I went back to Dollar Tree getting more stuff for spring and Valentine, for spring and Easter. So you'll see more tours. I think I'm gonna do another tour maybe like in a few weeks or next month. Also, I bought 3 candle holders from Bath & Body Works that I want to show you guys in a tour. And of course, haul first in the tour. So you'll be seeing more tours as we progress in the spring season. But yeah, that's everything I have so far. Thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you. And until next time, bye guys.